Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great year so far. Tonight we're having a heavy snowstorm and hopefully it's one of the last ones for the year. I thought it was pretty seeing the snow falling and having the fireplace on and drawing next to some candles. Today's video will be how I'm setting up my bullet journal budget plan and also a sneak peek into my exercising bullet journal. Normally, I print out a calendar and write everything down, but this year I wanted to do something a little different and draw everything out. And on a blank piece of paper, I drew a calendar and chose a constellation theme for March. I began making a cover page for March and designing it the way I liked. On the back of the cover page, I put an inspirational quote that says, "The universe is a matrix. It's a doorway into itself, but that doorway remains invisible if you don't have enough energy flowing through you." And that's by Frederick Lenz. Down below, I drew 4 boxes for each week for the important notes and dates. The second page is for my calendar, so it's easy to add my notes side by side. And on the back of the calendar, I have 3 boxes that shows my bills, savings plans, and spending. And the center is the total monthly income. My April budget is set up the same way, and the theme is a little more with space and galaxies and the planets. The inspirational quote for April is, "You build on failure. You use it as a stepping stone. Close the door on the past. You don't try to forget the mistakes, but you don't dwell on it. You don't let it have any of your energy or any of your time or any of your space." And that's by Johnny Cash. Here's a little more in-depth sneak peek for my exercising journal. My title page, I wrote out all the Gothic lettering after painting a background, and I have several quotes throughout the journal, and the blank pages will have inspirational pictures on them. I enjoy doing monthly exercise challenges, so I came up with 5 different workout challenges to accomplish within 5 months. And I wanted to add a simple design of stars on the leg challenge page and also highlight everything in black so that you can see it better. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe below and click on the bell to know when new videos come out. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day.